now let's get the show started. This is a wonderful day. I have a great party. How did I do it for the party last night? The party was great. I can't believe it was great. Finally, the party is great. But what should I do? What should I do today, I need to do something today. What should I do? I think today I'm gonna bust you. Wait a minute. You were hiding there the whole time? No, I was looking for my phone. So wait, you said you want to be tattletale on me? Oh boy, who cares? Who cares of being tattletale? I do. Stop being a tattletale, dummy. What did you just say to me? What did you say to me? I'm not a tattletale. You always want to tattletale us. Being boy, you better stop tattletale, boy. You better stop it, boy. Yeah, you don't care because you're evil. What the? I'm not evil. You know who's evil being tattletale? Because I love to be a tattletale. Just leave us alone. Leave us alone. I haven't done nothing. Okay, guys. What the? A lady. Oh, that's Bella. Isabella, what are you doing, Isabella? I'm going to go to the grocery store with my dad, okay? Bye. Come on. Brother, you stay there, okay? Well, have fun. Bye-bye, you dude. Okay, guys. Hey, Freddy, what are you doing? The coast is clear. Sweet. Let's go to the magic box. Yeah, the coast is clear, everybody. Woohoo! 3 hours later, up to the magic box. Opening the magic box. Shut up, dude. Are we gonna get there in time? Sorry, dude. I'm just the actor. Whoa, this place seems credible. It's credible, isn't it? Yeah. I can't believe you have a party. Yeah, party. Woohoo! Let's cue the music up, boys. Shoo! Wait. Let's cue the music. Yeah, let's cue the music, dude. Yeah. Come on, dudes. Come on. Okay. You want to hear the party, guys? Woo! Let's party! Woohoo! Yay! Yeah, jumbo size! Woohoo! Look at me, dancing! Oh, shake that tail, Shake that tail. Shake that tail. Shake that tail. Yeah, we're having a party. Oh, yeah. And they can. What's in the party? Woohoo! No way. Yeah, shake that booty. Yeah, party. We have a party today. The party. Wow, Captain. You're the best, Captain. And you're the best pirate, Foxy, Captain. What? Captain? Never mind. Oh, yeah. You should come to circus, Foxy. Yeah, I guess you're right. I'm right here, Foxy. Oh, yeah. Come on, let's dance. Dance. Oh, yeah. Party. Let's get this party started. Woohoo! What the hiccup? Wait a minute. Stop the music here. Wait a minute. What's the problem, man? Somebody's got the hiccups. Yeah. Hiccup. That was me. What the, Barney? That was you? Yeah, I got the hiccups, dude. Hiccup. Wow, Barney. I didn't realize you had the hiccups. Yeah. Sorry, guys. I had the hiccups. I don't know I'm going to join you. Well, we can help. We can help out, Bonnie. Wow, thank you guys. Yeah, Bonnie, we can help you. Thank you, Freddy. You're a good friend. You're a good friend too, Bonnie. Come on, what's everyone? Everyone, I need Chica and here and Springtrap here and Spring Bonnie. Where's Spring Bonnie? I right. Where am I? Oh yeah. Okay, Doggy here. Toy Bonnie here. And Toy Chica. Come on, let's help. Foxy, you're coming too. Okay? To cure Bonnie's hiccups. Okay. So, Bonnie, where are we gonna help you? My cure to hiccups is I have to drink water to cure my hiccups. Yeah, but where is Chica? I told Chica. Let me get her. Chica! I'm coming. Jeez. Foxy? Yeah, don't talk to me like that. Sorry. So, what should we give away from the hiccups? I got an idea. What about just put our butts? What the? Ew, Toy Bonnie. Sorry, I'm just kidding. Yeah. After we done the hiccups, me and Toy Chica have a date. Toy Chica, do you have a crush on Toy Bonnie? Yeah, duh. What do you make you do? Yes. Well, I have a question on Spring Bonnie. Can we get back into it? We're not doing love, okay? We're about to get rid of Bonnie's hiccups. How to get rid of the hiccups? Well, can't we just kill them? No, we can't kill them. That will make you dead. Sorry, Freddy. That's okay. I didn't mean to yell at you. Oh, cure the hiccups by drinking water. Wow, scientists. What? They're trying to help. But where's the water? Oh yeah, I'll be right back. Where's Foxy going? I don't know. I'll catch up. But 3 hours wait to buy the hiccups. Okay, Bonnie. We're in the party room. Wait a minute, Foxy, this is what the magic box brings us. I know. Come on. Oh yeah, there's the water fountain over there. Drink up. Drink up? Foxy, I don't drink this. Just get the one. Okay. See? Feel better? Feel better now, Bonnie? But I drank the one for the table. I don't think it worked. Well, do you got the hiccups? I'm pretty sure. Hiccup! What's that? Hiccup. Well, let's do the strategy. Okay, guys. The hiccups there, gone. Well, we're gonna do this. Boo-ah! 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 That doesn't work, guys. Bonnie has just had the hiccups. Hiccup! Well, what? Ow! Ow! What? Ow, my ears. Wow. Pranked you, dude. I pranked you. Shit. Ow. Bonnie, are you okay? Shut up! Springtrap? Oh, sorry. What the? Hey guys, I'm back. What the? Why is Bonnie's in the ground? He got the hiccups, so your brother scared him. What the Samaj? Why did you do that? Sorry. No, you better apologize to Bonnie. Bonnie, I'm sorry. It's okay. Ow. I think I get a bump. Ow. Wow. Yeah, we should take him to the hospital. Alright, guys, everyone subscribe. If you see someone get the hiccups, you have to get some water. But it doesn't work on Bonnie. So you have to get him the hiccups, okay? He's not an animatronic, but with the old animatronics, but he's not an animatronic. He's just a real character. He's just real. But we have to get rid of the hiccups, okay? Okay? Subscribe, comment below, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, everybody. Yeah, and make sure if you love the comments, and make sure you love the Freddy Fazbear videos. And we got some super trick for you. We can get a lot of adventures. We can play a lot of games like Poppy Playtime or Rainbow Friends, or even the most exciting game ever play it. Then the Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh yeah, and another game called Five Nights at Freddy's game called Foxy's Pirate Adventure game. But it's just a video. Why we call it a game? I mean, a game. It's a game. But it's not a real game because it's just a video like a YouTube channel video. Yeah, this is my adventure game. Games is not a real game. We're just pretending this is a real game, okay? So subscribe. Goodbye. Bye-bye.